my name is Disar Samirwadana and I'm from MYP5. Today I'll be teaching you the lattice method. The lattice method is a method which is used to multiply two numbers together. Most commonly, students are taught to use long multiplication in the schooling system, and this is quite time consuming, so when you're in a test it might not be that effective. Today I'll be teaching you how to use the lattice method with not only whole numbers but also decimal numbers. This method will benefit you in so many ways, as it will save you so much time in your tests, it being one of the fastest methods for multiplication. That is, in a non-calculator test. So let's get learning.
So for this video, you're going to need a blank paper, a pen or a pencil, a ruler, as well as basic math knowledge on multiplication. So the lattice method isn't going to take you that long at all. First of all, you're going to have to draw out a grid, and this grid really depends on the number of digits you're using. For this example, I'll be using 2-digit numbers. Those two numbers being 24 and 77 as shown. For the grid, you're going to draw 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines, and you're going to draw the lines according to the number of digits, as shown in the example. Once you draw out the grid and your 2 numbers, you're going to draw 2 diagonal lines running through the cross sections of the grid. So basically, any points where the 2 lines meet, you're going to draw a diagonal line across that. Then you're going to take the number on top and the number on the side and multiply that, and put the 2 numbers in the corresponding boxes. And you're going to do this for each of the numbers. So you can see for 2-digit numbers, I put them in the box like so. Once I've done this, in each of the diagonal sections, I'm going to add up the numbers. So as you can see, that is what I'm doing. And if there are extra numbers, like in the number 14 as presented, you just carry the extra number to the next column. Once you do this, you'll get your final answer, and in this case, 24 into 77, if you plug it into the calculator, gives you 1,848, which is the exact answer that I got within the matter of 20 to 30 seconds. I'm going to show you another example using the lattice method, and in this case, I'll be using 2 3-digit numbers, which are both decimal numbers. So to begin this, I'll have to draw out 3 vertical lines and 3 horizontal lines to draw out my grid as the basis of my method. Once that is done, I'll then fill in the top boxes with the numbers, and I'll put in the decimal points in the line where the decimal point would go. In this case, it would be 10.4 and 2.36. Then I'll draw out the diagonal lines as done in the previous example, in which the diagonal line run across the points in which the lines intersect and meet. Now, I'll start off by multiplying all the numbers, and if you get a single digit number, you just put a 0 and then you put the number as presented. Then you just have to fill out all of the other boxes like so, as if you did in the previous example. Once that's done, you're then going to take the 2 decimal points, drag them across the lines in which they're on, take them to the point in which they meet, and then take them all the way down. So I know where my decimal point is now, I can start adding up. So then I have to add up all of the numbers within each of the diagonal sections. As you saw, I had 15, so I took the 1 to the next section. Once that's done, I take the decimal point along the line in which the decimal point runs. So in this case, 10.4 into 2.36 gives you 24.544, which is what you get if you plug these 2 numbers into the calculator.
So guys, as you saw in this video, the lattice method, as I mentioned at the beginning, is a very time-effective method, and it helps you so much, which is why I hope this video not only helped your life, but also your math life, and it'll make your future a lot easier. So if you have any other tips and tricks for schooling, leave them in the comment down below for everybody else to see them. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and share it to your friends so they can also be as amazing in math as you are. So I'll see you next time. Bye.